that's how I've been getting by. Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, my name is ITSYECHIMA and I create style, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Today's video I'll be showing you all about how I got this natural glam by using affordable drugstore products. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna get right into this video. I have prepped and primed my face prior to starting this video, and as you can see, I've already done my brows. I do have a dedicated IGTV brow routine over on my Instagram page, so if you're interested in seeing how I get these fluffy bold brows, go ahead and check it out. I'll link it in the description bar for easier reference. Let's just get on with it because I'm rambling. So I'm gonna put some of this Melanie Mills Gleam Body Radiance on my face just to blur out the imperfections, and then we're gonna do some foundation, concealer, and all the things. I'm gonna speed it up because I don't want it to be too long, so I'll just pop in every now and again just to show you in a little bit more detail exactly what I'm doing. So keep watching. Alright, so while that concealer is baking, I'm going to use my Sephora natural finishing powder, micro smooth powder, and just set the rest of my face. Usually throughout the work week, this is all I would wear, just this powder, or sometimes I don't wear anything at all, just my brows. I'm gonna use this Jaclyn Hill palette to do some light contouring because I like to give definition to my jaw. I do have a full face, so I like to do a little bit of sculpting just to, you know, chisel it out a little bit more, make it look more defined and precise. So it's gonna look harsh at first, but once you blend it in, you will get your desired look. And I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm using Secret. This is the exact method I used for my last video. Powder to me sometimes blends out so much more natural. So I only use like the cream contour when I want that really good beat. But we're doing a light summer drugstore tutorial, so this is what I usually do. I'm applying it with this MAC 227 brush. It's really old, but it's an old faithful. So once that is done, I'm using my Sonia Cassia Contour like angle blush brush, and I just blend that out. So now we're going to get into the eyes very quickly. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Old Faithful eyeshadow. I've had this for a while now, and it's called Rose in the Air. I'm not sure if they still have them available, but it's a really good eyeshadow. I love the colors. We're going to keep it really simple. Alright, so after I apply my eyeshadow, and I did the top and the bottom with the same color, I like to uncurl my lashes. I have really curly lashes. I do this trick to help my lashes lay better, and it's less hassle as well. If you have curly lashes and you struggle from time to time, use this trick to help better placement. Let me just tell you about these new lashes that I tried. I got these from Target not too long ago, and it's the House of Lashes Light Collection. It's like a very wispy, but it's like dimensional, long lasting, and you can reuse these. That's how they look, and I really love the finish of it. So I'm just gonna take them out of the packaging. I have used them already, but I like to preserve them by putting them back in the package, just to keep away dust and all that stuff. So I'm gonna use my Duo Lash Adhesive in dark and apply the lashes. Usually I just put like a really good amount on the lash strip, let it dry till it's tacky, and then apply the lash. So now I have the glue on the lash strip, and the trick to actually applying lashes is making sure you have a steady hand, you have sufficient glue on your lash, and practice until it gets better. So what I like to do, like I said, I have like curly lashes, so to make it easier for me, I uncurl my lashes and I use like a mirror to look down in, not close my eye, but just look down so I can see where I'm placing the lash. So that's what I'm about to do. I have a mirror that I'm using. So hope you can see. And I just place it in the center first and then attach it to each end of my eye. Steady hand. And then you apply the end, each end. So I use this lash applicator to help press the lash into my own lash. So I'm doing that now. So we're gonna try it again on this side. So hope you guys can see. Remember to look down into your mirror. Use a steady hand and place it in the center of your eyelash, as close to your lash line as possible. Seal it to the end. And then you pinch to seal. Okay, and that's how you apply lashes. But remember, it does take practice, so keep trying. If it doesn't work, take it off, reapply it. Alright, so I don't really buy like drugstore mascaras anymore. I just buy the small sizes. Actually, I don't buy them. They usually come in like samples, so I haven't really purchased like an actual mascara in a while, because whenever I shop at Sephora, there's always an option to get like a travel size or a sample size, so that's how I've been getting by. So we are at the last part of the video, which is lips. I like to save that for last. And I'm actually going to use another lip liner. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's like a topaz type of color. Not topaz. It's like an apricot lip liner, but I use it more like a lipstick. I really like the color. Alright guys, you've made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I really love how this makeup turned out. It's been a while since I've done a makeup video and I'm home, so why not just play in some makeup? I hope you guys found it very helpful. I tried to go in as detailed as possible with respect to how I apply my lashes, mainly because I got a special request. They know who they are. But I really enjoyed creating this video. I really love how this makeup turned out. It's very lightweight, guys, with affordable products, and you still look like so amazing. I love it. I'm really into this pouty lip situation, so I hope you guys like that detail as well. All the products I use will be listed in the description bar below, so make sure you go and check it out. And also guys, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs it up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss my upcoming videos. I would really appreciate it. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this look. I really like it. All right, until next time guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.